History is the story of the human condition across time. If we analyze it, dig deep into the rabbit hole, we can see micro changes that lead to big events. At the University of Texas at Arlington, we are recognized for our diversity in our student body and courses. We offer a wide range of faculty expertise, from flight culture and the human experience, the history of video games, comparative civil rights, the history of medicine, and more. To see what classes we offer, please visit our website. Here we can find history courses like Maps and Mapmakers, African American history, environmental history of the U.S., and so much more. We offer 3 different degree plans: a Bachelor of Arts in History, Legal History track, and History for Secondary Social Studies educators. You don't have to major in history to complete a fantastic history education. Students who want to minor in history have 4 different options available to them: history, geography, military history, and our new History of Technology and Science plan. Need help paying for college? Follow our link to explore scholarship opportunities. Enroll now and travel through the ideas that shaped the course of history. Welcome, Mavericks. May your journey begin.